Alright, this review will be for the Jellas pocket knife, folding pocket knife. When you look at it on Amazon, it shows it comes in this nice fantastic box. You get a sharpening stone with it, you get a nice little sheath to put it in, all this. In reality, that's what it comes in. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Not a bad knife. Got your belt clip on there, which is tight. That's olive tree wood. Got a 3-inch blade on it. And then it's made of that 9CR18 MOV steel, so it's a hard steel. It's a sharp knife coming from the factory. It's one of the ones where you just push the side and fold it on down. Got a little back slot there, so you can just whip it out like that. And simple. Got some ball bearing inside of here. It's a nice little knife. Some people complain that they need 2 hands to open it, but it's just a 1-hand flipper. Yeah, so if you're interested in it, it's not bad at all. Just don't expect to get all the extras that they show with it. I think it's normally runs $20 or something like that. It's not bad. The only other thing you get in the box is the instructions and then a thank you card. I think the instructions just basically, just tell you how to operate it, how to open it, how to close it, and that's about it. See, that's how it comes there. So if you guys are looking for a decent knife in a decent price range, this is it. Not bad. You guys probably know Kershaw knives. There's a Kershaw there, well used. Well, it's a little bigger than the Kershaw. So if you're looking for a cheaper knife, because this knife was about a third cheaper than what this knife is. This knife runs plastic. Kershaw knives ain't cheap, but they're good knives. I've had this thing for probably 10 years. And this one's brand new. It'll look like that in a couple weeks. All right, you guys, have a good one.